joining us as we witness together the flight of 400 drones taking to the sky to light up this 65,000-year-old story.
Once upon a time, in the ancient dream time of the Yagara-Turrbal people in Brisbane, in the trailing stars of the Milky Way, the rainbow serpent Mundagara traversed the heavens, its iridescent scale shimmering with colours of creation. With each graceful movement, it wove the fabric of the cosmos, leaving behind a trail of stardust that illuminated the night sky. One day, drawn by an unseen force, the rainbow serpent descended from the heavens, crashing down upon the ancient land of Brisbane with a thunderous roar. The impact echoed across the landscape, awakening the spirits that slumbered beneath the earth. From the heart of this celestial collision emerged Will Whinper, the angry spirit wind, whose ferocious howls threatened to unleash chaos upon the land. Sensing the impending danger, the creatures looked to their wise elder, Kumi Bugara, the knowledge holder, for guidance. Protect everyone! Use your frilled neck! Kumi Bugara's voice rang out, carrying the weight of the ancient wisdom and authority. Binangurang, the frill-necked lizard, answered the call, spreading his magnificent frill wide to shield his kin from Will Whinper's fury. Alongside him, Kutha the honeybee buzzed with determination, rallying her fellow insects to join the defense. Despite the howling winds and the lashing rain, they stood firm, their spirits unyielding against a storm. With Binangurang's frill neck and the united efforts of the creatures of Brisbane, a barrier was formed against a raging tempest. emerged victorious, their bond stronger than ever. As the rainbow serpent ascended back to the heavens, its radiant form disappearing into the night sky, it left behind a legacy, a legend that would be passed down through the generations. Today, we see them. Komibugara, the crayfish at Marta Hill. Wilwimpa, the windstorm near Roma Street Parklands. Kutha, the honeybee, towering up Mount Kutha. Mariel, the old auntie at Spring Hill. And Binangurang, the frill-neck lizard at Highgate Hill. The spirit of the Dreamtime lives on. The legend of the rainbow serpent Mundagara and the great battle of Wilwimpa, the wind spirit, became etched into the fabric of our land.
It's like